Finally getting some answers for a potential motive in the deadly shooting that claimed the life of Nashville nurse Caitlyn Kaufman. She died while heading to work on I-440. This was back in December. Today, both suspects, Devontae Hill and James Cowan, made their appearance before a judge in a hearing that lasted for hours. News 4's Alexandria Adams walks us through what happened at that hearing.
The judge says that she found enough probable cause to bind both defendants over to the grand jury. Most of today's testimony comes from a witness who says suspect Devontae Hill told him he and James Cowan were driving along 440 when they were cut off. Now, that witness says Hill said that he got mad and started shooting. That witness says Hill told him this incriminating information during a gun trade. Hill admitted he gave the witness the gun he used to kill Kaufman with. Once that witness saw the news about Kaufman, he confided in his mother about knowing information and possessing the weapon. He says she encouraged him to step forward. Now, that witness says he messaged Kaufman's mother on Facebook, and when he didn't hear back, he went over to St. Thomas Hospital to tell them he had info on their slain nurse. Now, the hospital called police, who questioned Hill. Hill first told police he was out of town in Atlanta, then later told them he was on 440, but he wasn't the one who shot Kaufman.
He said that he was driving. He said he was driving the car, and there was another individual, Quan. He said his name was Raquan Evans. And he said as they were driving, they got cut off. And he said that Raquan was the one who shot out of the car, which would have been at Caitlyn, and he was driving, that he was not the shooter.
Police say there was no evidence of any Raquan Evans. Police say Hill claimed to not know the other suspect, James Cowan, but police say they later found through cell phone data the two knew each other and sold drugs together. Police were able to match cell phone data of both Kaufman, Devontae Hill, and James Cowan all along 440, traveling at the same time on December 3rd. Devontae Hill has been denied bond. Reporting for News 4 Nashville, I'm Alexandria Adams.
And as you would expect us to, we are following this every step of the way. You can head to WSMV.com for our in-depth coverage on the death of Caitlyn Kaufman. Catch up on interviews with people who knew her, along with finding out more details on the suspects arrested in her death.
A development